Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Hope all of you watched the last video. Today I'm going to start elements. So look at your book. This portion is very important. So be careful about this portion because lots of hot question will come from this portion. An element is a pure substance. Pure substance means made up of same type of atom. That's why it is a pure substance. So element is a pure substance made up of identical atoms. Identical atoms means similar in nature. An element cannot be broken down into simpler substances. I mean, an element cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by any physical or chemical methods. So, if you want to broken down an element into more simpler substances, it is not possible because element cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by using some physical or chemical process. It is mainly classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. So what is element? Element is a pure substance. I mean element is consist of same kind of atoms only. It is not possible to broken down into simpler substances by using some physical or chemical process. Element classified into four groups. They are metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. I think all of you understood. Next, basic unit of an element. Basically, element is consist of same kind of atom. So what is atom? Atom is the basic unit of an element. I mean the smallest particle of any kind of substance, that is atom. So it is the smallest particle of an element. It is not capable of independent existence. I mean atom cannot exist independently. It is divisible as seen today into three subatoms like protons, neutrons and electrons. So what is atom? बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना. Atom is the smallest particle of any kind of substance. So in case of human beings, like human beings, we all of it made up by single kind of atoms. Same way, it is the smallest particles of an element. It is not available in independent state. It is divisible into three another subatomic state: proton, neutron and electrons. Nucleus. What is nucleus? In the center of an atom which contains, that is nucleus. So look at the figure here. It is the center of an atom, that is also known as nucleus. Nucleus is consist of proton and neutron, and around the nucleus there are some orbits and electrons are always evolving there. मतलब क्या है? मतलब एटम के बीच में आई मीन सेंटर में है न्यूक्लियस. सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस कंसिस्ट बाय प्रोटॉन प्लस न्यूट्रॉन एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर always revolving around the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑलवेज न्यूक्लियस के चारों की तरफ चारों दिशा में मूव कर रहा है एज ए सोलर सिस्टम. Protons are positively charged particles. Same way, neutrons are negatively charged particles. I mean, sorry, negatively नहीं, मतलब no charge. न्यूट्रॉन का कोई चार्ज नहीं रहता है. And electrons are negatively charged particles. And what are orbits? Surround the nucleus in which revolve. So look at the figure once again. It is the center of an atom, that is also known as nucleus, consists by proton and neutron. Here protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge, and the electron are negatively charged, always revolving on orbit. So orbit is a particular way where an electron are always revolving around the nucleus. Next, elements made up of identical atoms. Element iron contains one type of atoms. Iron atoms मतलब अगर आयरन को लेकर हम लोग तोड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, लास्ट में जितना भी छोटा टुकड़ा हम लोगों को मिलेगा वो आयरन का ही होता है। ऐसा नहीं आयरन का चेंज होकर लास्ट में हमको गोल्ड या सिल्वर मिल जाए। सो दैट इज द सेम काइंड ऑफ atoms. I mean contains the same kind of atoms. Same way sulfur contains one type of atoms. Next, classification of elements. Elements are classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Metallic elements have luster. Luster means glossiness. Shine. मतलब उसके ऊपर अगर लाइट पड़ता है तो नॉर्मली शाइन करेगा. They are metal. Non-metallic elements do not have luster. कोई glaze नहीं है. They are looking like dull. Powdery substance मतलब बहुत फीका लगता है. In case of metal, they are malleable. Can be beaten into sheet. So if we apply some hammer, we can be able to transfer it into thin sheet. This ability of metal is also known as malleability. So all of you understood what is malleability? Malleability is a property by which we can able to transfer metal into thin sheet by apply some hammer. मतलब उसको हैमरिंग करके हम लोग मेटल को थिन शीट में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. मतलब मोटा सा मेटल को हम लोग हैमरिंग करके पतला ब्रॉड बनाएंगे, फ्लैट बनाएंगे. तो इस कैरेक्टर को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? मलायबिलिटी. सेम वे नॉन मेटल आर नॉन मलायबल, कैन नॉट बी बिटन इनटू थिन शीट. नेक्स्ट, मेटल्स आर डक्टाइल, कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स. तो मेटल को हम लोग नॉर्मली कॉपर लाइक कॉपर को हम लोग थिन शीट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे एज लाइक वायर, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक वायर में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है. सो डक्टिलिटी इज अ प्रॉपर्टी बाय व्हिच मेटल कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर. बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स आर नॉन डक्टाइल, कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स लाइक फॉस्फोरस. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, and non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Metalloids are elements which shows the properties of both metal as well as non-metals. Example, boron. And the noble gases are unreactive inert gases. Interests in here like helium, neon, argon. There are 6 noble gases. Note it down: helium, neon, argon, xenon, radon and krypton. There are 6 noble gases. They are inert gases. I mean they are not able to take part in chemical reaction. मतलब ये सब जो गैस है ये chemical reaction में भाग नहीं ले पाता है. That's why there are noble gases or unreactive gases or inert gases. So what are metalloids? Metalloids are a kind of substance which actually shows the same kind of properties of either metals or non-metals. मतलब मेटल और नॉन मेटल दोनों का ही कैरेक्टर शो करता है. दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज मेटालॉइड्स. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. This portion is very tough to try to understand. So for today, up to this portion.